Hello everyone, welcome back to our second session. Okay, so what do you have for the second session? Very good. In the second session, we focus on grammar Galaxy 3, right? But we already finished all pages in Unit 4, right? Unit 4, what grammar do we focus on, everyone? Simple past. And today, I am going to review all the lesson in simple past. So how many different types in simple past, everyone? There are 3 different types, right? Simple past with be. Yeah, you can use was or were, right? So what subject can use with was? We can use I, she, he, it with was. How about were? We can use you, we, and they with were, right? Okay, and we have the other type, or the second type is simple past with regular verb. So the regular verb means the verb that you add ed, that you add d, and that you add ied. You add d when the verb ending in letter e, so you add only d. But when the verb when it is the most verb, so you add ed. But when the verb ending in y and before y is a consonant, so you change y to ied. And the last one is about simple past with irregular verb. So simple past with irregular verb, you have to change the verb to another verb, right? Like example, the word go, you change to went. Have, you change to had. Draw, you change to drew. Alright, so now I think you can understand all of this very well. And I have one exercise for you to review all about simple past. Okay, so make the simple past positive, negative, or question. Here we have a few words in the bracket. Here you can see a few words in the brackets. So you just use the word in the brackets to fill in the blanks. And I hope you can use all the words to fill in the blank correctly. Okay? So now I have a minute for you to complete this exercise, and after that I will correct for you. Now do it. Finish? Very good. Okay, so now let's check your answer with me, everyone. Number 1, I blah 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 not drink any beer last night. So not, it must be negative, right? So how do you make negative, everyone? Didn't, right? Okay, so this one you must say didn't drink, right? I didn't drink any beer last night. Okay, how about number 2? She blah 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 get on the bus in the center of the city. Okay, so get on is irregular verb, right? So how do you change? Got on, right? Okay, she got on. She got on the bus in the center of the city. Okay, how about number 3? What time blah 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 he get up yesterday? Yesterday, right? So how do you make it into question? Did, right? You start with did, right? Did. And after that, subject. What is subject? He. Okay, and after that, base form of verb get up. What time did he get up yesterday? We blah blah blah. We very lucky with the weather. So we use with what, everyone? We use with were. Very good. I told you since the beginning of this video, right? Okay, how about number 5? Where blah 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 spend you your last holiday? So this is, it must be a question, right? Because you see a question mark and it starts with a WA word. So how do you make it? Question start with did, right? Did, and after that plus up subject. What is subject? You. Okay, did you, and after that verb, right? Did you spend? Okay. Where did you spend your last holiday? Okay, now let's continue to number 6. It blah 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 be great at the party last night. So it used with was or were, everyone? Used with was. Okay, it was great at the party last night. Okay, let's continue. I blah blah not change trains at the Victoria. Okay, so here you can see this one, it must be negative. You see the word not, right? So negative didn't. Okay, didn't change. Okay, didn't change. Use simple verb. Okay, so now let's continue to number 8. What blah 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 he gave his mother for Christmas last year? Okay, so what? It must be question, right? And start with WA word what. So you must make with did, start with did, right? Did plus subject. Where is the subject? He, okay, he. And then plus base form of verb give. What did he give his mother for Christmas last year? Well, so now let's continue to number 9. Okay, you see question mark again, so it must be a question form, right? But this one, yes, no question. Okay, so you can look at this. So yes, no question, start with did. Also start with did, right? Did, and then plus subject. Where is subject? She. Okay, she is the subject, and then make. Yeah. Did she make good coffee? The last one for today, everyone. She blah 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 read the newspaper yesterday. So read is irregular verb, right? So how do you change? Read change to read. Okay. Read change to read. Even we write the same way, but we pronounce differently. Okay. In present we pronounce read, but in past we pronounce read. And one more thing, she read. We don't add s here because read here is simple past. Okay. She read the newspaper yesterday. Okay, so you can check your answer again, everyone. Here are your answer. 1, didn't drink. 2, got on. 3, did he get up? 4, were. 5, did you spend? 6, was. 7, didn't change. 8, did he give? 9, did she make? And 10, read. Okay, after finishing these exercises, I hope you can understand simple past very well. Simple past that can use with be, was or were. Simple past that can use with regular verb, at d, at ed, or at ied. And simple past with irregular verb that you can change from one verb to another verb. Okay, this is the end of our lesson today, and see you in the next video. Goodbye, class.